Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Snapchat is crashing on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, simply open Snapchat and restart the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then go for the other solution. The other solution is simply restart your device. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings. Now from here guys, simply scroll it below. Then here you can see journal, tap on it, scroll it below, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply open App Store, tap here search and search for Snapchat. From here guys, we have to make sure that there is no update. If there have any update, then simply update the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then go for the other solution. Simply go back to your home screen. Now from here guys, open settings, scroll it below, then tap on journal, then tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply go back, scroll it below, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here guys, simply tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.